Ever dreamed of building your own treehouse? Today we're going to show you how. Imagine the satisfaction of crafting a special haven nestled among the leaves, a symbol of both creativity and childhood nostalgia. Get ready to unlock your inner DIY enthusiast as we delve into the process of treehouse construction. First things first, planning is paramount. As with any project, crafting the perfect treehouse begins with a thoughtful design. Selecting the right tree is crucial, one that is sturdy and mature. Safety factors must be considered, such as height and accessibility. Then, design your treehouse not only to fit your needs, but also to complement the tree's structure. This is where your creativity can really shine. Think about windows, doors, even a balcony. With a solid plan in place, you're ready to gather your materials and tools. Armed with a plan, it's time to collect your building arsenal. Gather quality wood, sturdy screws, a reliable saw, a capable drill, and crucial safety gear. Quality materials ensure your treehouse's longevity and safety. Tools and materials at the ready, it's time to start building. Now, the real fun begins, the build. Let's break this down into manageable steps. First off, securing the base. This is the foundation of your treehouse, so it's crucial to get it right. Next, the walls. You'll be amazed at how quickly it starts to take shape once these are up. Then we're on to the roof, the cherry on top of your creation. And finally, those little extras. Maybe you want a window to take in the view, or a ladder for easy access. Remember, safety is paramount throughout this process. Take your time and don't rush. With the final touch, your dream treehouse is now a reality. All that's left is to enjoy it. Congratulations, you've just built your very own treehouse. With planning, the right tools, and a bit of elbow grease, you've made a dream come true. If you found this guide helpful, why not subscribe to our channel for more exciting DIY projects? Remember, the only limit to what you can build is your imagination. So keep dreaming, keep building, and stay tuned for more.